Welcome to the Pokemon Card Tricks YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you an amazing trick here. Alright, so I'm just going to cut roughly about half the deck here and half the deck here. This trick is called the 26 Klondike Shuffle, and you'll see why. The name helps you to remember how to do it. So basically you cut two piles and the spectator shuffles the cards. So how fair is this? Completely fair. They get to shuffle both piles. So there's no way I could know where the cards are. They shuffle both piles. Now they pick one pile and cut the pile wherever they want. Right here, cutting the pile wherever they want. You welcome them to take cards off like this and put them back on the pile, or put more cards onto the pile. Whatever they want. They can put as many little cards as they want onto the pile there. Alright, then they look at this pack here and they shuffle this pack up. And when they're done shuffling, they look at the top card. In this card, it's Fletchling right there. Alright, so they put it back on top. And of course, I don't see that. They just look at it like this and then put it back on, memorize it. Then the pile goes on top the other pile. And now we do the Klondike Shuffle, it's called. It's where you take the top and bottom card one at a time, therefore shuffling the deck. Now this was called the Klondike Shuffle because the Klondike Gold Rush, they used to play a lot of cards, but it was really cold and their hands couldn't move very good, so they just peeled the top and bottom card off like that. That's how they shuffled. So we do that shuffle like that, right to the end. And now we see how many cards that they cut to, and remember telling them you had a fair choice as to how many cards you wanted to add cards or take away cards. So they count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there's 14 and 15, the 14th and 15th card. So now I get them to point to a card, say they point to this one, I say, okay, we'll get rid of that one, you're left with the one you chose, and there, sure enough, it's the Fletchling right there. Works every time. Now I'll show you how it works. Okay. So first off, you need 52 Pokemon cards, alright, 52, or as long as you have an even number of cards, but 52 is good because that's how many cards are in a deck of playing cards. Alright, and then you want to make sure that all the cards are different, makes the trick better, because otherwise they could have picked a duplicate and it's not as impressive. So 52 different Pokemon cards, and then you say, look, I'm going to just make sure, I'm going to count out that we have 52 cards here. I just want to make sure there's 52 cards. So you count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And when you get to 25, on number 26, what you want to do is in-jog that card right there like this. What I mean by in-jog is that's an out-jog. This is an in-jog. So you in-jog it just a little bit, about that much, and you keep counting 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Say, okay, we do got 52 cards. Now where that in-jog card is right there, you can get a little lift with your thumb right there. Lift it up and push it in and just say, look, I'm going to cut the cards about halfway, about like that. Roughly halfway, when it actually is halfway. It's 26 and 26, and that's how the card trick works. So you must have always half and half there. Then you invite them to shuffle the cards, which is so fair. I love that they can shuffle the cards. There's no predetermined order or anything. They shuffle that pack, and they shuffle that pack, and then they're invited to pick any pack they want and cut the deck and just place it across here like that. You could even show them first how to do it. And then they can add more cards or take away cards. Say they add a couple more cards like that. So now we're looking at this. So the next pack they take, they shuffle one more time. When they're done shuffling, they look at the top card. In this case, it's the Solosis. Solosis card right there. Alright, so they place that back on top, complete the deck right there, and then we actually do the Klondike shuffle, so you can tell whatever little story you want. You could just say, look, we're shuffling an amazing way, the top and bottom card like this, top and bottom card, tell a little story. You can tell the Klondike shuffle thing if you want. That's how I learned the trick, but you want to go through it fairly as fast as you can. Once you get to the end, you leave the cards just the way they are like that. Now we count out how many cards that they randomly went to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16. So we want to count down the 15th and 16th card. We want to do that. There was the 16 was the magic number, so we're going to do 15 and 16. The card will always be the 15th card, the one before the magic number, which was 16. So we'll count down 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then there's 15 and 16 right there. And now they point to a card. This is called a Magician's Force now. So whatever we're doing, we're going to force this card, the 15th card. So if they point to this card, we say, okay, we'll get rid of this card. If they point to this card, we say, okay, we'll get rid of that card. So either way, they get rid of the other card, and they're left with this card. And there it is, Solosis right there. Works every time. Guys, try it out for yourself. See if it works for you. It should work if you do everything right. And let me know in the comments if it worked for you and if you like it. Thanks very much. Bye.